start. On behalf of the petitioner, it is contended that the order of the District Inspector of Schools is patently misconceived. Stop. An order of suspension passed against the teacher oblique principal of an intermediate college cannot remain in operation after 60 days unless it is approved by the district inspector of schools in writing. Stop. Such approval of the district inspector of schools does not in any way take away the power of employer to withdraw the suspension at any time for valid and good reasons. Stop. It is submitted that under the statutory provisions applicable, there is no requirement of any approval being obtained from the district inspector of schools before recalling the order of suspension by the appointing authority. Stop. So far as the second ground mentioned in the order is concerned, it is submitted that the petitioner was suspended under an order of the manager himself, and therefore such order has been withdrawn by the manager. Stop. The suspension was not effected under any resolution of the board, and therefore the complaint of 2/3 members of the board that no decision has been taken to withdraw the suspension in neither here nor there. Stop. It is also pointed out that the order of the district inspector of schools approving the suspension dated 29/1/2010 has not been communicated to the petitioner till date, nor any opportunity was afforded by the district inspector of schools before approving the same. Stop. Sri V.K. Singh, advocate on behalf of the officiating principal, contends that the petitioner did not challenge the order of suspension effected against him nor the order of approval. Stop. It is stated that the issue as to whether the earlier suspension was effected under a resolution of the board or not has not been raised nor has been gone into under the impugned order. Stop. He points out that the petitioner is involved in criminal case under section 420 IPC, as is apparent from the copy of the first information report enclosed along with the writ petition. Stop. With reference to the judgment of this court in the case of Brijraj Swaroop Bhatnagar versus State versus District Inspector of Schools Ghaziabad, and another reported in 2001 for ESC 1574, it is submitted that such a principal should be kept out of the office. Stop. Lastly, it is contended that once suspension has been approved, having regard to the seriousness of the charges, the committee of management could not have withdrawn the same usually unless the charged employee was finally acquitted of the charges labeled. Stop. The finding recorded in the impugned order by the district inspector of schools that suspension order cannot be revoked once it is approved by the district inspector of schools under section 16D of the Intermediate Education Act without his approval is legally not correct. Stop. Under section 16D of the Intermediate Education Act, the power of suspend the teacher principal is with the committee of management. Stop. Power to do an act includes with its ambit the power to undo the act, and therefore the appointing authority which has placed its employee under suspension can always withdraw such order of suspension for valid and good reasons. Stop. So far as the second part of the order is concerned, there is serious debate between the parties as to whether suspension was effected under a resolution of the board or not, and therefore withdrawal of the same is also require a resolution of the board itself or not. Stop. From the records as they stand, this court is not in a position to arrive at a conclusive finding on the issue raised, nor the district inspector of schools has examined the aforesaid aspect of the matter stop if the contention raised on behalf of the petitioner to the effect that he was suspended by the manager himself without there being any resolution of the board is correct, counsel for the petitioner would be justified in contending that such authority who was placed the petitioner under suspension can always withdrawn the said order